Ukraine's effort to rebuild and modernize its air force is one of the most complex and strategic undertakings the country has faced since 2022. The Air Force suffered extensive losses during the early stages of the conflict, including aircraft, trained personnel, and critical support infrastructure. Restoring these capabilities is not simply a matter of acquiring new planes, it involves creating a fully integrated, sustainable, and flexible aerial force capable of performing a wide range of missions. This process requires careful planning in multiple areas, including aircraft selection, pilot training, maintenance, logistics, operational doctrines, and long-term strategic planning. Among the aircraft being considered, the Dassault Rafale represents a high-value option due to its versatility, performance, and ability to operate in diverse combat scenarios. France's Dassault Aviation has publicly stated that it is ready to supply Rafale jets to Ukraine if a formal request is made. This readiness indicates a willingness to cooperate but does not imply an immediate transfer or signed agreement. Any actual delivery would need to be planned carefully and executed over a medium to long-term timeframe, taking into account the production schedules of France's domestic fleet and other international commitments. Therefore, while Rafales are a significant potential asset for Ukraine, their acquisition is part of a gradual, carefully managed strategy rather than an immediate reinforcement. Integrating Rafale jets into Ukraine's air force would be a major undertaking. These are highly sophisticated multirole fighters, capable of executing a wide range of operations, but they also require specialized training for pilots and ground crews. Pilot training alone would take months, as it involves familiarization with advanced avionics, weapons systems, flight dynamics, and operational procedures. Ground crews would need training in maintenance, repair, and logistical support, including handling spare parts, conducting system diagnostics, and performing routine and emergency maintenance. Establishing these capabilities is critical to ensuring that the aircraft remain operational and can be deployed effectively during missions. In addition, incorporating Rafales into a diverse fleet presents further challenges. Ukraine is not focusing on a single aircraft type but is seeking to build a multi-platform force capable of flexibility and redundancy. This strategy increases overall operational capabilities but also requires careful planning to avoid logistical conflicts, ensure compatibility of maintenance procedures, and streamline operational doctrines across different aircraft models. Integrating Rafales would require adjustments to mission planning, command and control procedures, and tactical operations to make sure that the strengths of the aircraft are fully utilized without creating inefficiencies. The strategic dimension of acquiring Rafales is also significant. These aircraft provide Ukraine with a higher level of operational autonomy and capability in the long term. Their inclusion in the fleet would enhance the country's ability to conduct advanced missions, maintain air superiority, and respond to evolving threats. Acquiring such aircraft signals a long-term commitment to building a modern and capable air force, aligned with international standards and designed to sustain operations over extended periods. From a logistical and operational perspective, the introduction of Rafales would require the establishment of new support infrastructure. This includes specialized hangars, maintenance facilities, supply chains for spare parts, and dedicated training programs for pilots and technical personnel. The aircraft are technologically advanced, and their maintenance cycles are complex. Ensuring that they remain fully operational would demand a high level of planning and resources, including coordination with Dassault Aviation and French authorities to secure necessary technical support and documentation. The timeline for Rafale integration is likely to extend over several years. Even after formal acquisition, achieving full operational capability involves sequential stages: initial training, incremental deployment, familiarization with mission profiles, and eventual incorporation into regular operational cycles. Each of these stages requires coordination across multiple branches of the Air Force and careful alignment with overall strategic objectives. Patience and meticulous planning are therefore essential, as rushing the process could compromise operational effectiveness. The potential acquisition of Rafale jets represents a strategic investment in Ukraine's long-term air power. While immediate reinforcement is not feasible, the medium and long-term benefits of these aircraft are substantial. They would provide the country with advanced operational capabilities, strengthen flexibility across the fleet, and enhance the sustainability of Ukraine's Air Force modernization program. The effort to integrate Rafales would be a defining step in creating a capable, modern, and versatile Air Force that can operate effectively under a variety of conditions and maintain readiness over the years to come.